10 times when you should be silent at all costs. 1. Be silent in the heat of anger. Anger is a state where the tongue works faster than the mind. 2. Be silent if you don't know the full story. Jumping to conclusions can cause misunderstandings and unnecessary conflicts. 3. Be silent if your silence can save relationships and bonds. Not every thought needs to be vocalized. 4. Be silent if you can't talk without yelling. 5. Be silent when you feel too emotional to be rational. 6. Be silent when the words you use can destroy your friendship or relationship. 7. Be silent even if your words might simply offend someone. There's always a better way to handle things. 8. Be silent when listening is more beneficial than speaking. 9. Be silent when you are unsure of your own feelings or motives. 10. Be silent when the environment is tense and adding words might just fuel the